In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your leverage on Vantage. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First things first, open your browser and head over to the Vantage website. Vantage is known for being an award-winning CFD broker and platform, offering a comprehensive range of services for traders at all levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Vantage provides a user-friendly environment to manage your trades. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button, which should be visible on the upper right side of the page. Click on it and enter your account details. Make sure you have your credentials handy for a seamless experience. If you happen to forget your password, don't worry, there's an option to retrieve it easily. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Vantage home interface. Navigate to the account management section by clicking on the Accounts tab. This is where you can oversee all your account details and make necessary adjustments. Now once you're within the Accounts section, look for your demo account options. It's often advisable to practice changes like adjusting leverage on a demo account before applying them to a live setting, especially if you're experimenting with new strategies or getting familiar with the platform. Next, spot the settings option within your account menu. Clicking on settings will bring up various options and configurations you can tinker with. Among these settings lies the ability to change your leverage, which can greatly affect your trading strategy. And now the moment you've been waiting for, locating that change leverage button. Click on it and you'll be presented with a range of leverage options to choose from. Think carefully about your choice here. While higher leverage can increase your potential profits, it also raises the risk and potential losses. Select the leverage that aligns best with your current strategy and risk appetite. If you're unsure, it might be wise to start conservatively and then adjust as you gather experience and confidence. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily change the leverage on your Vantage account. Remember, effective risk management is key in trading, so take your time to understand the implications of these adjustments. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy trading.